Hello friends, here we are going to install Exi. So, firstly we have to just enter into our lab environment with our username and password. Sometimes you can get a difficulty if you are not getting your lab environment. So, see in your browser that it's the requirement for Flash, run Flash system, or you can work in the HTML environment. So, here we are going into our lab environment. So you can see this little clock. It is showing that we are processing to enter into the lab environment. So here we are in our lab environment here. So firstly, here these are the data centers here and the clusters and the EXIs. So we have here some resource pool here. I have my resource pool with my name here and I installed a virtual machine EXI. So we are now installing EXI. So right click on this and edit settings. My EXI is virtual machine is powered on here. So we need to edit the settings to install the window from here. So we need to select data store ISO file from CD DVD drive as I first installed it, but I'm telling you the step how you can see. From these three options, you must select data store ISO files and then browse. So go to your library, data stores, ISOs, select Windows 10 Enterprise Evolution and select the image from here and then OK. Remember one thing, you must connect it power on so your virtual machine can be power on. At the time of creating a virtual machine, you need to specify how many CPUs you want, memory, hard drive, hard disk, and how many network adapters you need. So I need three network adapters here. The first one is for production, second one is for storage, third one is for vMotion. Then click OK. Now my virtual machine is on. If you want to on your machine you can just go on power on and here are the options. So my machine is power on, so the power on option is just faded, and if you want to power off you can power off from here. So we need to go into the console. This is the icon for the console, or you can go by right clicking from here, uh, open console, click on this and you can get into the console, but I used to get into the console from the icon here. I just clicked on it and here we are in the console. So this is the Windows setup. Language to install. Choose your language now, in which language you want to just install your Windows. Then click next. Click on install now. Now the setup is starting up. So this setup is starting up. I can show you how you can just install a virtual machine or create a virtual machine. You need to go in onto your resource pool. Just right click on that and select virtual machine. There are two options: new virtual machine from library. So we need to just get new virtual machine from here. Click on this. So here we are back on our console. This is the license here. So we need to just accept the license terms and next. So select this one and next. Click next. Till that time the window installing, we are getting back in here. So create a virtual machine, then click next. So you can give any name to your virtual machine like VM. Okay, so you need to select a name and folder in which you want to just store your virtual machine. So we are in 7. This is my folder with my name. I'm selecting it and clicking next here. So this is the name I entered it through. So next, we need to select a resource pool, like I'm selecting pretty here. Next, as I told you, we need to select our storage. I'm selecting it and you click next. It's very simple. This is by default. Computer by default leave it as here. So we need to select here guest OS memory is Windows. Guest OS version, not server. Instead of this, we need to select my 10, 60-bit, 64-bit. Then we need to customize the hardware here. So as I told you, we need to just select CPU like you. If you want how much CPU you want, you can select it like you are selecting 2 here. And network adapters like for production only. And new series, I told you here we need to just get data store ISO files and then expand the option. Here we go. It's by default showing here, but I will tell you how to just select it. The ISOs, Windows 10 into resolution and the image here. Yeah. So next. This is all about the virtual machine. What we select for, you can just finish it, and your virtual machine will be in the environment. So we are back on our Exi here. Now VMware Windows installed VMware is starting up here. So it's just starting up. Files are loading, and in the next step we need to uh, select keyboard layout, language setup, and we need to just give a password to it. It's getting ready here. We are up to the mark. It's getting ready. Sometimes it takes time because the files takes times to load. This installation might take few minutes. It's taking few minutes to ready. So here we are ready now. So we can just choose our region, like here we are using US. So select English. Here it depends on you which which language you want to select. You can select the second keyboard layout, but most people will skip that. So I'll skip for now because we cannot connect to the network here, and you can give any name, like I'm giving my name, my first letter and my surname here. You need to give a password. It depends on you what password would you like to enter here. You can also check confirm by this. Confirm your password. If you want to give the password in case otherwise, sometimes it's necessary. Now accepts these privacy devices. Here we go. We are ready here. So now installation message will come up and we need to leave the lab open for next lab task. The console is here. So we need to just close it and again get into it. Here is refreshing. We are all done here. So here we are. Now we will configure our Exi. Now go on to the Exi here. Just go into the console and press F2 here. If sometimes the Exi not works, just go power on off. Again power on it. Go to the console. The services are starting here, so we need to just we need to press F2. So we need to log in here. Just cancel it. We need to give the right password. Here we are. So we need to configure password. If you want to uh, change the password, you can just enter on it. So old password. Firstly, you need to get with your old password. Now you can change your password. Click enter. So here we are configuring our EXI, and next step is we need to configure management network. And just go to configure management in the right pane, see IP address. Here is the IP address which is configured by the DHCP server. Now we can see all the logs here and press enter. Now we are on the network adapter. Here we can see we are on the VM NIC 0, network interface card 0, the net 0. VLAN options not set, IP configuration here. We can see we have IP address here, that is 196.169.254.173.235. Subnet mask default gateway which is not set. Then enter here. So we need to set static IP address here. This is a static IP address and network configuration. Press enter to save the required IP address and static IP address. Now on the configuration management network, we can see other configuration, IPv6 address, DNS configuration, which is still not set, custom DNS specifications. So that's all. So we need to press escape to exit from here. Now in the go back configure management. So the DNS configuration and DNS number you can enter any DNS from your number. You can have the host EXI number, then okay. Now we can enable SSH here. Press escape. Here we are going to the troubleshooting options. So enable EXI shell, which is disabled. On the troubleshooting option page, we can use here enable EXI shell. It's enabled. Press enter. You can see it's disabled here now, but in the left side it's enabled. So again enter it. Now it in the both side it's changed. This is disabled and enable. So press escape to return to the main page. Now we can view system logs. Come on the system logs. You can see system log. If you press 1, you can see system logs here. Now you can see here all the system logs. We can quit from this page by pressing Q. Now we are here. You can check VM kernels through here by pressing 2. Again key like this. I'm pressing 3 to see the configuration, temporary files, best files, driver status checks. Again Q if you want to see management agents. Press 4. Here we go. Again. Now we are on the main page. Now we just configure the EXI here. So we need to clean up this environment for next lab. So we need to press F12 to shut down it, or we can just use escape. Here we are. So we need to press F12 here. Now this is the authentication page here. Now you can just again log in here. Now we need to just enter the password. So here we need to press it down F2 here. That's also done. Okay. We are shut down our EXI. Okay. This was all about to install and configure EXI. Thanks for watching the video.